Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for changing out the alternator on a 2004 to 2014 Mustang GT. This has the 4.6 liter V8. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get right into it.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project.
This is your intake right here, and these are your map sensors. There's sometimes a booger to get off there.
Use a flathead and like try behind it.
Yeah, I don't like doing that, but we'll see if we can get it started.
So this is an 8mm. Dad, you want to grab our magnet tray? I'm like, Dad, we should probably invest in that because I've lost stuff in this yard. This one is a 10mm.
You got both of them off?
Yep.
Okay, and there's your gasket. We'll leave that there.
Man, that's clean.
That is so clean.
Yeah, they're not cheap either.
Yep, 15mm. 293.
Yeah. I remember back when an alternator was $40-something.
Yeah. I was surprised when he said that. 293.
That was expensive?
Yeah.
Yeah. They want the core back?
Yeah.
Yep.
$11.
Oh, I'll take this on off. Then we'll put it back on when we put it back in.
Yeah. There wasn't enough room to even get that bolt out.
Okay, there's that one. Okay. Now we'll have to unplug the stuff off the back and take that. I don't know what size that is. Probably a 10, Steve?
Yeah.
Undo that one. Then we'll have to unclip this right here. Good thing you took that battery cable
Yeah.
off.
Right?
He would have learned.
There's that. Yeah, there we go. There should be. All right, you want to tighten it up real quick? Perfect.
Well, easier when
Like
you
you're
tag
the
team it.
Daytona 500.
Yeah. We got a pit crew
Pick
here.
crew right here.
Push. A little more, Steve.
That's it.
It's almost there. There it is. We did? 14. Yep. There it is. Alternator just kicked on. Yep.
If you've replaced your alternator and battery and still experiencing loss of traction control and voltage spikes when accelerating, you may have a bad power control module, which can cause an alternator and battery to go bad by overcharging. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching this how-to video on how to change out an alternator in a 2004-2014 Mustang GT. I've included the product links for the parts and tools used below, so click on those and check them out.